going down to Arthur's Seat now. Hey friends, so third day in Edinburgh, Scotland. We decided to trek to the Arthur's Seat before leaving Edinburgh for Windermere in Kendal district. That was the plan. When we reached the Arthur's base point, it was a 1 hour and a little more climb. My friend, she has this fear of heights, so somewhere midway she said she wouldn't want to continue the climb. Just going till here and coming back, Arpita, if you want to sit together. So I had to wait with her, and we climbed midway, and then my husband and her husband continued the climb, and I waited with her. We chatted, we had a long chat. Of course, I missed the climb. I love to trek. I missed it, but having a chat, very, the gully kind of, women kind of chat with each other was fun too. I was surrounded by the national flower of Scotland, the pinkish lavender thistle in full bloom because it was summertime. I spent quite a few moments shooting these flowers. It was a beautiful day, cloudy, not sunny but pleasant. You have a 360-degree view of the entire Edinburgh city from this point. So the next halt was to go to a petrol station, fill up gas and have some lunch. We went to IKEA and had a nice lunch, filled up the gas. I started driving for the entire stretch. It was my turn to drive. It was a beautiful drive from all the inside road of Edinburgh till you touch the highway. My friend was sitting next to me, was happy to be a navigator, and it was a fun kind of navigation where she was giving the commentary in chaste Hindi as well as English. We were having fun. So the road distance, driving distance from Edinburgh to Windermere or Kendal district is roughly 150 miles approximately, and duration taken to drive without stopping anywhere is 3 hours. We did stop for lunch and tea and the washroom break, so it took us roughly 4 to 5 hours. And I was being careful because it was raining intermittently when we exited Edinburgh. At some point it was so foggy that it was very difficult to drive in spite of the wipers continuously.
आपको वही चिंता है कि आपका चेहरा नहीं आता गाड़ी में चलाते हो।
नहीं भाई, आपने मेरे को बोला देख कर कहीं से चेक दी वीडियोस विच आई हैव क्लिक। हाँ, मैं चेक कर रही हूँ, सब जगह से भी इतना हाथ दिख रहा है और थोड़े से बाल दिख रहे हैं, तो बोला कोई सोचेगा कोई अंग्रेज को बिठाया है। और लो लाइन में खड़ी कर लेंगे तो आप लोगों को फिर से आना पड़ेगा। मिस करोगी 2 साल, डेफिनेटली मिस करोगी। और वैसे भी बोलते हैं आइल ऑफ मल एटलीस्ट 3 बार जाना होता है। इज इट? आपका सेकंड हो गया, मेरा तो थर्ड हो गया अभी।
So next time you can't go.
इतनी आबादी है यार, एक आदमी क्रॉस किया बोले तो आबादी है इस गांव में।
हाँ, हम ये पूरा बिगर जो है थ्रू एंड थ्रू जाएंगे कहीं पे टर्न।
So basically, if you have a Indian driving license, you can drive in UK. The only thing is you have to take insurance, which is not cheap. But since we had hired the car among the 4 of us for 15 days, it was wise to have an additional driver. And wherever I have traveled out of the country, I just love, even in the country, in India as well as anywhere, I love to drive.
Hey guys, we have entered England now. We have crossed over from Scotland to England. We are going towards Kenya. How many miles? 1 घंटे में पहुंच जाएंगे. The Lake District. So total कितने lakes हैं वहाँ पे? Only 3. Why is it called Lake District? Right.
Right.
ना पावर स्टेशन वाली है ना. I love driving and I love road trips. I'm crazy about road trips.
ഇതെന്നാ ക്ലിയർ അല്ലാത്തത്? ऐसी बरसातों में कैसा लगता है, ऐसा लगता है तुम बनके घटा मेरे बदन को भिगो के मुझे छेड़ रही हो, छेड़ रही हो.
I truly believe that I was probably a nomad in my previous birth or life. I have this nomadic trait in me. I love to go to different places, understand different culture. It's fun. Life is all about traveling, you know. Travel is the biggest education one can have, I believe. Traveling teaches you so many things. Good evening. So we have been traveling since last 10 days. First 4 days in London, England, and then we traveled by road to Scotland, traveled to the capital of Scotland, Edinburgh, and today we drove down from, and this is an entire road trip. We left Edinburgh 2 o'clock in the afternoon and we reached Kendal. It's a city of lakes. 2 hours back, and here we are at the restaurant, the hotel where we are staying, chain of Premier Inn, quite good, decent hotel. We have come down for dinner to the restaurant. I'm trying out the chili wine for the first time. I have tasted wine all over, mostly. It's good, it's light, only 11% alcohol content. Believe me, the weather is so amazing, so lovely कि वाइन पीना तो बनता ही है. So cheers to that. Your eyes, your mind opens up to so many different new things. So I believe if you can afford whichever mode of transport, travel, do that.